What's up, guys? I'm over here in El Poblado, about to go get some food with a friend of mine. She's kind of camera shy, but I'll get her to warm up to it. We're gonna go to this place. It's called Cafe Noor in El Poblado. It's really nice, actually. Let me check it out. Cafe Noor en El Poblado. Muy abajo. Muy abajo. So this is the area. All right, guys, we're over here hanging out. Cafe Noor. This is my friend. We're gonna grab some lunch. This is the menu, by the way. Check out the menu. No. Solo salude. Say hi.
Hi.
Anyways.
Bueno, dime tú qué me recomiendas porque yo no sé de esta comida.
Yeah. Okay. So we're trying to figure out what we're gonna eat. This is the menu. Most expensive thing is probably like almost $20, which is like, that's expensive. This is the food. We're hanging out at this cafe called Cafe Noor. And we're actually right behind, we have like a river right behind us. Check out the food. And there's a river right behind us. You can listen to the river. And it's really nice. Like, check this out. Just check this place out. It has two like stories. The top is like more ambiance. Over here is more like open. And then at night they put this little fire on here, and they light that up. It's very like romantic, little loungy, as you can see. You can come here at night and grab some coffee or whatever. In our case, we're gonna eat these eggs. So, like I said, this place is nice at night. You can come here if you have, your significant other, come chill out, have some drinks and whatnot. We're gonna go get down with this food real quick, and we'll check back with you guys in a bit. Ciao, ciao. Very good.
Estos días me he sentido más tranquila por día.
See? These are like some sort of special eggs, I guess. And they like to eat a lot of avocado. So, not bad. Come visit. Listo. Está bien así.